me out at 4618 Commonwealth.
4618 Commonwealth.
1546, portable.
That's good.
312, we have traffic.
Summit and Clayton.
Ohio temporary, count 376112.
Everybody put their hands on the
black
seats right
Kia
now.
With 4.
Why didn't you stop?
376112, 310, start that way, 310.
Over and somewhere we could not run over and like we're out of gas.
You ran for multiple blocks. I could take you to jail for failure to comply right now.
Sorry.
And I'm one charge.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
You could.
Go ahead.
Yeah, because we're completely out of gas.
75 north.
Okay. You got any weapons on you?
No.
Henry Queen George 2069.
Not at all.
There's a trade on the CRP with 1.
Henry Queen George 2609, 75 north at Polish Village.
321. If there's another crew available, we'll take them.
Okay, they're on the way. You want them code 3?
Immediate's fine.
Copy immediate.
All right. You guys keep your hands on that seat. Don't move them at all. Okay? All right. You got an ID on you, ma'am? I'm gonna put your
I
phone.
don't.
Huh?
I don't.
Okay. You do not have an ID? Okay. Here's what I'm gonna have you do. You're gonna sit down right here.
Okay.
Sit down.
Okay. Oh, hold on, my butt bone.
Okay, I got you. You can go ahead and sit down. You can't sit on your butt?
I can't sit.
You're sitting in the, I mean, how do you drive your car?
On my leg. I sit on my leg.
Sit on your leg?
Yeah.
Is this comfortable?
No.
It's not comfortable. What's your last name?
Ward.
Ward?
Yeah.
W-A-R-D?
Yeah.
First name?
Shannon.
Birthday? How old are you?
I just turned 33.
You just turned 33? What's your social security number?
Baker.
Why are you thinking about it? Are you lying to me?
No, I don't know my social.
You're 33, you don't know your social.
My mom handles everything for me. Mommy's girl.
You would have just turned 34. Stop lying to me. What is your information?
No, that's really my birthday. I swear to God.
6/6 of what year?
6691.
And you just turned what age?
That's actually me and my friend.
Okay, stop. You're lying to me, okay? You did not just turn 33.
123 Eddie.
Christina?
Her name's Christina.
Okay, thank you. Okay, stop lying to me. What's your name?
My brother, bitch.
All right, you got them right here. All right, you go in the back of the car. You're gonna catch another charge. You got failure to comply, and you're gonna catch a charge for.
105 Eddie, thank you.
Huh?
105 Eddie.
Okay, you got nothing on you?
No.
Okay. All right. You're gonna tell me your information here in a second, okay? What's her name? You guys were rolling a long time. You guys didn't tuck anything?
No.
Okay.
My pockets are empty.
Huh?
My pockets are empty.
Put your hands on them. You got all their info? Who's Melvin? So. All right, nobody move. All right, enough's enough. What's your social What's your social security? Have you been in trouble before? No, nothing's coming back.
I've only had. I just got it bought out like not long ago.
This is you.
Yeah,
Yeah, Christina.
I was just about to tell you. I'm sorry. I was scared.
For bench warrants.
What are they?
They're literally traffic warrants. Something I could give you in a summons form.
Yeah. I honestly I was more afraid.
Passengers got warrants.
Front right.
Front right. And then
What's her name?
dude in the back. Huh?
Lupe Hernandez.
Yeah. And this guy, is this Robert Ward? Is he the...
He is back right.
right?
That's her husband. Yeah, that's the driver's
Yeah.
husband. Sit back in the seat.
Failure to appear, dangerous drugs. Ward, Roberts, sex man.
Back out of Northwest.
All right. Well,
He's got one.
yeah, we're gonna get them all out handcuffed. Just let me run the last one. And Brandon Valentine.
Brandon, yeah, apparently he's the RO.
Brandon Valentine.
He's got warrants too.
He's a sex
Oh,
rapist.
okay.
But yeah, that's him, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
So we gotta
Okay.
fill up
So
there.
the passenger side, they're coming out. Coming in handcuffs.
Yeah, 34, Charleston.
Charleston.
Just make sure he keeps his hands on the seat.
Who does? Both of them, huh?
Yep.
Alright, we'll get her first. Alrighty.
It's gonna pop out.
Ready, boss? You're next.
All right.
Hands on the house. Roof of the car the second you get out.
I'm gonna grab my cigarette so when I get out.
Yes, I do, mine. Turn up. Outstanding.
All right.
I'll grab his cigarettes. I'm gonna grab his phone.
Got nothing on you. Okay. All right. All right. For right now, you're just gonna. I'm gonna sit him right here. All right. If you, pop him out. All right.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and put your hands on top of the hood.
Yes, sir.
Top of the car.
Yep.
All right. You got nothing crazy on it.
Go
Slide
ahead.
down. Slide down.
No, I got it. What's that?
75 north. Just past Polishville Village, overpass entrance.
You're gonna sit down right
Ohio
here.
plate stop David Frank 8355.
These are.
Cherokee.
Those are his.
Bag those and put those on the hood of your
Okay. Gotcha.
75 north at Polish Village, entrance John David Frank 9855.
Anything else on you, boss?
That's money.
321. Go ahead. Chance getting female officers nearby. Okay, bye.
There you go.
Yeah, there's a crack pipe right here. And then what is this? What are these?
Looks like you only have 110. You want her to start that way?
If you would.
You would.
What
these?
110, I'll show you how to choose Summit and Clayton. 110. Copy. Detroit Phillips.
I'm just putting them in handcuffs right now.
420.
Go ahead.
Huh? It's on a console.
Yeah. We're Charles in the back.
Or not, sorry,
Charles
not
from the
center,
accident.
like right up here. In this area.
I can head towards Summit.
Our cannon here.
Got a knotted baggie over here.
Knotted up baggie.
Nothing in it, but
Yeah, she must have swallowed something then.
420. Did you copy that?
Sure boy.
Yes, they wanted a female officer out there.
Sure boy.
Okay. Just to let you know, I'm going to be working as a one-man right now.
Okay, copy.
Are these naloxone strips? See these?
got another empty bag in her purse. They're for blood glucose.
Alright.
Just careful. You'll get poked.
Yeah. Oh, okay, it's just for testing like blood medication for blood sugar. Alright. All right, buddy, we're going to stand you up right now so I can go back to this passenger seat. Keep your hands out. Don't put them in your pockets.
Yeah, okay.
Some right here. Are you okay with it? Go on, cuff 'em up. Put your hands behind your back. I'm just going through the book bag in the back real quick.
I tossed him already. His shit's out of your hood. You want me to put him in the back of our car?
Yeah, if you don't mind, yeah. Just do that, yeah.
I think that was fun.
Yeah, we got to verify the 3 warrants.
All good.
And there's a crack pipe in the passenger seat, so. Is this your book bag, man? It is?
Yeah, it's got my ID and stuff in it.
Okay, is there anything, am I going to find anything in here?
No, just like my empty script and stuff, but there's nothing illegal or anything.
Okay.
My wallet, clothes.
Hey, Harger.
Yeah.
You got a bag? Put all those Huh? Is it in your like bag?
Yeah.
You're like, okay. All right. I'm gonna set these two up here right now. Never mind, I have a bag. It's oversized, but it'll work. I don't know. They're like gummies, but there's nothing in this bag.
Nah, it's just all tore up in her bunch of.
I'm sure she stuffed it somewhere.
Okay. I got a burnt spoon over here. I got just, it's minute, but it's like little rocks. A little bit of crack.
Little rocks.
Yeah, I got a little bit of.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you know what? Yeah.
Burnt
Shoot.
spoon.
Yeah. It was on the spoon?
It was in the door here. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's
Yeah, we
not
get-
much. I got a few more.
56 Baker.
Baker.
Yeah.
I can go home if they want to come out here.
Yeah. If you want to do that, I will. I'll verify the warrants for all of them.
Maybe they'll stop out.
Huh?
Maybe they'll stop out. I don't know.
Yeah. So we'll just leave the spoon here. I got the 2 crack pipes and the 2 gummies. If you want to tell them about the gummies, that they're in like a bag, and I'll go verify the warrants. If you didn't want to stand there, we can put them in the back of your car if you're cool with that. Or yeah. All right, you're gonna take a seat in the back of this police officer's vehicle, okay? We haven't even verified the vehicle yet. I bet you anything's stolen.
Yeah, go ahead and check. He
Yeah.
said, the RO says he's the bad guy that didn't have any warrants. So.
Okay. All right.
This is Brandon, I think.
All right. I mean, if they're good with it, I'm just gonna let Valentine go and he can take the car.
Okay. You want to get her out?
Yeah. All right. Go ahead and step on out.
Window goes out.
Ow! Ow, my butt. Oh. These are really, really tight.
I'll get him loosened in just a second, okay?
Anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, anything that you should not have.
You're on Central, right? I'm on records right now. I'm coming over though.
You have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me?
All right. I'm gonna sit back in the car. Swing over. Yeah, I'm gonna loosen them right now. All right. There you go. That's as loose as I can make that one. Okay. One more notch. All right. That's as loose as I can make that one. Okay. All right. Step to the right. Take a seat in the back of the car.
Is there a way I could be getting out?
Hmm?
Is there a way I could?
You got nothing on you.
No, I swear to God.
Right.
I promise.
Why you sit like that?
Because my butt right here, I had a seizure, and when I fell down.
So you drive with your left foot, is what you're telling me.
No. I sit the other way, but I have to sit on my feet. I literally, my butt.
When you
is
get
broken.
booked into the county, they're not going to
I'm
find
telling
anything
you,
on
I
you.
know.
There's nothing tucked up on you.
No. And as long as I have nothing in there, I should be able to leave, correct?
Huh?
Hopefully.
No, you're going to jail.
Well, yeah, I'm going to jail, but.
Well, yeah, I mean, what you're getting charged with so far is misdemeanor stuff, okay?
So I
Just
can be
depend.
booked
Right now,
to
we have to take you over to talk to a detective, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Any sector available, send you a quick call.
I've got a couple other things I could send you to. I'm going to keep him going now. He's close-ish.
Yeah. What'd you say? Did you?
What's saying east side's going to our sector.
Oh yeah, we
31 to
got. We got.
51.
See if you guys want to take off.
Alright. We'll get you up on the elevator.
All right, just everyone go ahead and walk to the back of the elevator and face the back, standing next to each other. Yep, like that. Perfect. Hurry up, Burger.
Oh, Shrek. Oh, Jesus Christ.
This is why we can't have nice things in to you. It's your goddamn fault.
This is the one that gets stuck, isn't it?
What?
This one that gets stuck or no? No, it's that one.
No, it's that one. I think it's the far right one. Yeah. All right, everybody flip around, follow these officers out, take a left.
113, Frank.
I don't know.
Frank.
I asked myself the opposite. How does he work with me? Alright, just take it right. He's taking it right.
120, 123, check safety. It's the same mail from earlier. 4444 Jackman, the lower unit near Dartmoor. From the National Threat Center, per 212, you're checking on Nathaniel Jones.
Yep, one of you on that one. Don't care.
Chief of Department of number 1. 4444 Jackman, the lower unit earlier. He was threatening to harm himself. He told them.